Angelo, go get the circle. Go get the circle. Can you get the circle for me? Good boy. He touched the circle. Good boy. Oh, that boy. You're so smart. You're so smart. Okay, can you touch the square? Where's the square, Angelo? Where's the square? Can you touch the square? No, that's the circle, Angelo. Angelo loves circle. Do you love circle? Yes. Yes, Mama. Okay, thank you for touching circle. Thank you. Love you, Angelo. Bye. No! Angelo.